Creating an eye-catching and professional-looking school newspaper is an exciting challenge, and it all starts with understanding the basics of newspaper layout. Think of your layout as the backbone of your publication. You want to create a structure that guides your readers through the content seamlessly. Start by dividing your pages into clear sections. Use grids to help organize articles, images, and ads. This not only makes your newspaper look polished, but also enhances readability. Next up is typography. Choosing the right fonts can make or break your design. Aim for a combination of a strong headline font and a clean body font. The headline should grab attention, while the body font should be easy to read. Stick to 2 or 3 fonts throughout your publication to maintain consistency. And remember, font size matters. Headlines should be bold and larger, while body text should be comfortable to read. Color selection is equally important. A cohesive color palette can elevate your design. Choose colors that reflect your school spirit or the theme of your issue. Use contrasting colors for headlines and backgrounds to make them pop, but be careful not to overwhelm your readers. A good rule of thumb is to stick to 3 main colors and use shades and tints to create depth. Now, let's talk about placing headlines and images. Your headlines should be strategically positioned to draw the eye. Place them at the top of articles, and consider using subheadings to break up text and guide readers through longer pieces. Images are crucial for visual storytelling. Use high-quality photos that relate to your articles. Ensure they are well-placed and balanced with the text. A good image can evoke emotion and draw readers in, so don't skimp on this aspect. To achieve a professional look, pay attention to spacing and alignment. White space is your friend. It prevents your pages from feeling cluttered. Make sure there's enough breathing room around text and images. Align elements neatly to create a clean, organized appearance. Consistency in margins and padding will help your publication look cohesive. Finally, don't forget about proofreading. Typos and errors can undermine your credibility. Always double-check your work and consider having a peer review your articles before printing. A fresh set of eyes can catch mistakes you might have missed. By focusing on these essentials, layout, typography, color, image placement, and attention to detail, you can create a school newspaper that not only informs but also captivates your audience. Remember, your publication is a reflection of your school community, so make it shine.